Hey everyone, welcome to Blastiq, the channel where knowledge meets imagination. Today, we're asking, will artificial intelligence replace human creativity? AI can write, paint, and compose music faster than ever. But can it truly imagine? Creativity isn't just data, it's emotion. When humans create, we express dreams, fears, and stories. AI only copies patterns. It doesn't feel or dream. Yes, AI can make art, but it can't feel the heartbreak behind a song or the passion in a masterpiece. Still, AI isn't our enemy. It's a tool that expands imagination, helping scientists, artists, and thinkers create faster and dream bigger. Machines can copy. Humans create meaning. That's why imagination will always be our greatest power. So no, AI won't replace creativity. It will challenge us to imagine beyond limits. Thanks for watching Blastiq. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with your curious friends. Stay creative, stay curious, and keep blasting your mind with knowledge. Bye.